Thanks for joining me again for another episode of Come On Shop Disney, Really? Where I get packages in the mail from Shop Disney and we open them live on camera to see what kind of shipping fails we get today. Just a quick recap, as we know, Shop Disney has a huge problem with their packaging materials that they put inside the boxes. Whether it's 1 pin, 2 pins, 5 pins, 3 pins in a mug, whatever. There's just not enough packing material in the box to compensate for what they're shipping. And typically, they send these huge boxes, as big as my body, for a single pin. So I'm gonna open up this package on camera for you guys to see what kind of Shop Disney fail we have today. Well, I'm already seeing the telltale sign of tissue paper. Well, there's none of that air bubble wrap that we normally see, but very rarely do I get these little bubble wrap bags. Hopefully this will have protected it a little bit, but we'll take them out and look at it. But that's all the shipping material we have in this gigantic box. You see the size comparison here? These are the 2 pins I got in a bubble wrap bag, and that was all the protection that was in this box. Let's see if my pins have been damaged or if they're in acceptable condition. The tip of this pin, which is the 20th anniversary pin for Pluto, it's actually turned up and the bottom is dented all the way up to the tip of the pin. I'll show you a closer picture of that right here. I mean, the pin is in good condition because it's not scratched or anything, so that's good. They put it in the bubble wrap, it didn't get scratched. This pin is the aerial pin for the seasons. So this is summer 2020 of the 4-part, it'll form a circle, 4-part pin series. And once again, even being in that bubble wrap bag, the card is creased right there at the corner and it's bent on the back. I know this doesn't sound like a huge deal because actually the pins are in good condition, but this is just a constant problem. Why do they send these gigantic bags where the things just roll around and get dented in there? This is just unacceptable. Shop Disney, do better. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna send them an email to that email address that I was given on Facebook, but I'm also gonna call them right now and just express my concerns about their constant shipping packaging problems. If you've had this kind of problem with your Shop Disney orders, please leave it in the comments below. I'm gonna keep doing these videos every time I get a new package in the mail. And maybe one day this will actually get to Shop Disney and they can do something about it, because this is just unacceptable. Thanks for watching, and remember, no capes.
Thank you for calling Shop Disney. My name is Sally. How may I assist you?
You know, I got another order today and the pins and the cards were all damaged, and because there was no packing material in the box except for the tissue paper. Somebody's got to do something about it because everybody complains about this.
I can definitely reach out to my support team and let them know your concerns. What I'd recommend is actually, if you wanted to email in, we have an email, it's guest.services with an S on the end at shopdisney.com. If you wanted to share your concerns there, that would also help our team look into the issue.
Okay, I will do that.
Is there anything else I can do to assist? Do you have any other questions?
No, I think that's it.
Again, thank you so much for calling Shop Disney. Have a magical day, okay?
Thank you, you too.
No capes!